Welcome back everyone. So, in today's video we are going to answer the question, can you fully 3D print an arbor press? In this picture you see kind of the original shape I aim for, but as you will see I clearly diverged off of that path. But regardless of that, I am proud and excited to share my findings and my build with you. So yeah, let's directly dive into it. So you see it's pretty enclosed and different. There's a gear stick, and in the middle there's also a gear that is connected by the nails on the right, and on the left there's a plug which keeps it in place. On the right you can just use a screwdriver to rotate it. Okay, so in CAD the whole thing looks like this. Basically just the base with this T-shaped extrusion that has these legs to support it. Just I thought this one it looked good. It's not really the main structure, it's the arch also. I believe it's giving it quite the sturdiness it has. You will see what I mean by that, hopefully. This is the plug. It looks different than the one you will see in the printed version, and this is the gear stick that's driven by this gear. And I didn't print this stick. I used a big screwdriver as a lever. Okay, so you can see the plug. It's pretty different. It has no holes because in the end you will see why, and I will tell you why I had to redesign the plug and basically not everything, but quite a lot of things. So for the testing we are going to do, I will be using some small nails that I will be trying to just drive into the wood, and I will prepare them a bit, so I will hammer them a little bit in there, and then we're just going to drive it in there. And as you can see, just without a problem, one nail, easy peasy, and let's try some more. Next we're going to try 4 nails at the same time, because why not? Hopefully it works. So let's try it. You see, I'm quite startled by the sound of it. Okay, so you can see I'm going to try it again, but I pulled it completely apart and I didn't see any real damage. So I was left thinking it was some internal thing that cracked maybe. So I just got a little plate of stainless steel to use as a plate to pressure against, so there's like no punctual pressure from the nail heads. And as you can see, it didn't really work. So you can see it's going in like a few millimeters, but after that it's stopping, so it's not really turning. I can turn it, but I'm turning the nail holder part where the lever is, I'm turning it out to the right. I'm not, you know, turning it for the sake of turning it, but I'm turning it to the outside. And after this failed as well, I took it apart, and well, the 3mm steel nails I took to join it together, so the 3 different moving parts, well, they were pretty damn bent, so they ripped up the whole gear on the inside because they bent like crazy. So as you can see in this video right here. So I would say with the last video you're going to see here, that pretty much you can 3D print an arbor press, and it's sturdy. It can withstand, I'm weighing like 70 kilograms, so it can hold 70 kilograms of force, I would say. And as you can see, I'm applying my wrists like directly on top of the part where the gear and the gear stick would be. So yeah, it's just a matter of finding something, or maybe constructing it in a way that leveraging it to its full extent doesn't break the nails for my part. So whatever material you use. Okay, so what is left to say? I say it was a success. I learned a lot of things. I know what I will redesign, and I will do probably another video visiting this project again. And I will probably use screws and nuts to keep the horizontal axis of the gear in place, and the plugs also, so they hopefully don't go to the side when you use the lever. And other than that, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if I can do you any favor, like the STL file or anything like that, please leave a like in the comments, subscribe, leave a like in the comments. Did I really just say that? Yeah, and other than that, I hope I earned your subscription, a like, and maybe a comment with a future video idea. And or if you need the STL file, also write it in the comment section. I will see you guys again in the next video. Have a good day. Goodbye.